What is going on, guys? Turbo Details here. Today we've got a Ford Explorer stolen vehicle. Now, before I get anywhere in the vehicle, I will be shaving my head entirely when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Tell all of your friends and let's make that happen pretty quick here because I need a haircut. Our extracting. Enjoy some extractions. Now, this vehicle was not too dirty, but since the insurance was paying for it, our customer decided to go with a full shampoo. So you're going to see here, there's actually no dirt coming from the carpets. But we did want to give this entire SUV a full shampoo just because the customer did pay for it. Now, in the third row of seats, it wasn't bad at all, so we did do some hand extracting. What that does is it just saves some time, and we just use the rags to pick up any extra dirt and P&S Carpet Bomber. Now we've got a partnership coming up pretty soon here with Malco Automotive Detailing Products, so get ready for that sponsorship. We're going to be trying some wash and wax as well as some spray wax from them, so get ready for that video coming out quite soon. Hopping right to this passenger door panel, we've got our helper here, Alex, today. He just helped us to get this job done a little bit quicker, and he's only doing the top half of this door panel because it was so sunny and our APC was actually drying right on the plastic. So you'll see here he's going to wash and detail brush the entire top half of each door panel and then the lower half and sides. As always, Amazon links are coming very, very soon, but make sure to subscribe so that I can shave my head once we hit 1,000 subscribers on Turbo Details. Alrighty, that is going to wrap up the video for today. Subscribe, like, comment, all of that jazz, and enjoy the rest of the video. We'll see you in the next one. Aaron out.